Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, May 5th, and I am gonna be headed to Fontana, California. Right now it is 7:45 and I am 3 hours late to meet up my buddies, an hour and 2 hours down south from me, but I did go to sleep super late, so they were like, all right, well, catch up on your sleep because it is a long ass drive, and I am awake, refreshed, and ready to rock and roll. Today's video should be about my whole trip from Northern California to SoCal. So right now, let's be on our way. Casper! Casper! Casper, what are you doing over there, Casper? Hey, what the hell, you dirty as fuck, bro. What you be playing in? Dirt? Phase 1 is done, guys. So we are out here at Alex's house, and he's getting ready to mob to phase 2. Phase 2, guys. This is the right-hand drive right here that was on the channel a long time ago. Still runs amazing. Rocking the Mugen CF48s with the caps. And yeah, so we are going to be headed to Jesus's house, which is another 35 maybe-ish 4 minutes from here. And link up with him, his wife, and his, you know, his little family. And then continue our long trip down to SoCal. So we had to make a quick pit stop to pick up a tire for Jesus, and crazy shit, that's where my car was painted at in 2014. Put a little picture right there. Phase 2 complete. So we out here at Jesus's house, and he's gonna be bringing his wagon, and his wife is gonna bring her car. Check this shit out. Just got it back from paint like not too long ago. This thing is freaking rad, dude. Like, the color blew my freaking mind. Unbelievable. For what he paid, dude, this is, oh my god. Elena's car is gonna be hurting some feelings tomorrow. Oh, and then you got Jesus's car right here. This is his. Just bagged it too. Right there. This is a real 55X. All-wheel drive. That was crazy. And then he's got his pride and joy right here, which is kind of just sitting around, not doing anything. That one right there went to all the shows with me in 2014, 2015, and then you know, he started acquiring a whole bunch of other wagons. Let me show you this one right here. He's got this one, and then he's also got this one right here too, just imported. Wagon galore over here. So we gave him the tire, and the tire is, they just took off to go mount it, and once we get that back, they are ready to rock and roll. Probably gonna pump some gas and hit the freeway. Dude, I super forgot about Alex's old car, which he sold to Jesus, and Jesus sold it to his nephew. This was bone stock when we sold it. Now it's right-hand drive, EDM interior. Oh, what the hell? It got skinned. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 out of 7 cars is right-hand drive. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 out of 8 cars is right-hand drive. 7 out of 8 cars are right-hand drive.
Wow. Hey, I think this is the most right-hand drives in California.
Oh, they got IPA Lagunitas.
Some big ass Coronas.
Straight from Mex.
Oh, real?
Real.
That's an authentic fucking Corona right there?
Big ass. Mexican. Hella meat.
Boy, he ain't playing. Look at that. Ooh, dude, your car just got 100 pounds heavier.
Literally, all the time I loaded.
Oh my god, take another look at this Wagon King right there. This guy killing it. Right hand drive, 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 right hand drive. About to be right hand drive. We're about 200 miles in, and I had to pull over real quick because I felt the heat climbing up on my legs. Let that cool down real quick. But the car drives fairly cherry, so we're golden. Just gonna give it a little bit of a rest. Everybody take a little drink break and all of that. Look at these guys. That static life, man. That thing was great. That thing was shooting rocks at me, but look at this. I was right behind it, and I feel all the shit hitting my window. I was like, oh, I gotta move over. Oh yeah? Damn, look at that. No play, bro. That slam life. So we lost 2 cars, and we're just waiting for them. Not sure why they pulled over, but they're not that far behind, so we'll just wait right here. It turned off on the highway? So we've been here for a cool minute. This car, we found out that
really right now, dude.
Right now?
Yeah, people know.
So we found out that the timing got skipped, and we found out why it skipped. All the freaking teeth are gone. It's all gone up until right there. That's where it started skipping. You can see it. So we thought we lost compression, but once we retimed it, it wants to crank over, but then it skips at that part when that revolution of the belt comes up. So we're about 300 miles out. And we called AAA, but I'm like trying to convince them to take an AutoZone right there, 20 miles down, and let me change the timing belt on it. But because the AAA comes, then that's 200 plus miles back home for this car, and then we're still gonna just cram everybody in the car and still make it out tomorrow. But this is a bummer. I'll keep you guys posted. Tow truck was supposed to be here 30 minutes, and it's been an hour. Still no tow truck. Honestly, I told him, I was like, I'm down to change the timing belt because, you know, AutoZone is 20 minutes down, and I could have already been back and maybe even halfway installing it already. But while we wait, why not polish your car out? These guys are going ham on this car. This is original Rio Red RT 4-wheel drive, and look at the job they just did.
Daddy's over here.
So this is the original fade, and then this is after. What is that? The mirror glaze?
Mirror glaze.
Mirror glaze. Oh, show car glaze. These guys are putting in work. That's what's up. Unfortunately, Elena's car didn't make it, so we're gonna debut that car another time, possibly Week Fest San Jose. But we are packing everybody else in the car, and we're still gonna head to our resort, get some rest, and looking forward to tomorrow. But we'll see what else tonight ensues when we get there, because it is still kind of early. But let's just make it to the resort. So off we go. Card it for me in case it closes. It didn't close.
It's good?
Yeah. I'm here. Don't worry, I'm skinny enough.
This is like over phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Fucking, we broke down prune juice.
No, that was in between phase 2 and 3. So it's like 12:30 right now, and we just got to damn resort. I'm tired. Everybody's tired. One car went down, but they're not gonna bring it home till Monday.
Oh, I just got a picture. It's inside, yeah.
So AAA took the 4th car and threw it inside their shop, and they're gonna schedule delivery. What is this?
Brown, let's go.
And they're gonna schedule delivery for Monday. I'm assuming we're going this way. Lobby, right? Oh, I want to sleep in here. It's cold. Anyways, going back to the lobby. But we're gonna go check out the room right now because we haven't gone up yet. And then we're gonna come back down and lock the fucking car because you know, LA can't trust nobody. Hey, what the fuck? Don't be shaking that shit.
It's not gonna.
You're gonna give me a fucking heart attack standing right here.
It wasn't gonna do that.
Don't matter.
Okay. No, it's really stiff. But damn, this is a short ass balcony. What the hell?
Nice and breezy out here, but damn, this is the scariest shit in the world. You know who's got the couch?
I brought the stroller and it has like all of our shit in it.
Oh, sick ass TV.
Oh, check it.
Oh, right in front of the fucking bed. Damn. Hey, guys, welcome to my room.